Hey everyone, so today I will be showing you guys how I bleach and groom my eyebrows using the Sally Hansen bleaching kit. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't, and yeah, thank you guys. So here's the bleaching kit. It contains the bleaching powder, the bleaching cream, a preconditioner, and a mixing bowl with a little spatula. Here I'm grabbing the preconditioner and a cotton pad and wiping down my eyebrows to make sure that they're free of oil and makeup. Here I'm grabbing the bleaching powder and the bleaching cream and I'm mixing equal parts. You can follow the instructions that are inside the box, but since I usually do this every 2 months, I just basically eyeball it. And here I'm just gonna make sure that I mix, make sure that it's free of lumps. It should pretty much be like a paste. And here I'm using a brush to apply the product. So make sure you get it in all the way in the pelitos, just like go back and forth. And then the instruction says that you're supposed to, what does it say? I believe you gotta leave, the maximum time you can leave it on is 10 minutes, but then it's gonna leave you like with some yellow brown. But I only want them a little lighter. I'm trying to go for like more of a brown looking brown, since I do have bleached hair and my roots are like dark brown, almost black. And then to make sure that all of the bleach gets on the hairs, I run it back like that. Just be careful that when you do brush it, you don't get product on your eyes. Okay, so it's been 9 minutes since I applied the bleach. Now I'm just gonna wipe it off. Well, I'm gonna wipe it off in front of the camera, go rinse my face, and yeah, I'll be back. So to do my brows, I'm going to be using a dip brow, a thick concealer, my glitter razor, and my tweezers. Sometimes I do use a scissor to trim the hairs, but this time I won't be using it because my eyebrows, I'm trying to let them grow out, so yeah. And for the brushes, I will be using this brush and this brush, and of course the spoolie. So here I'm just brushing out my brows with the spoolie, and I will be carving out the desired shape with the thick concealer. This step is very important to ensure that the brows come out even. I understand that brows should be sisters, not twins, but take your time in this step. Next, grabbing my tweezers, I will be plucking all the little hairs that are right on the concealer. I next wiped off the concealer once I was done with the brow, and I repeated the steps on the other brow. So for the top part, I will be using my lotion. This is my holy grail, my all-time favorite. And then I'm going to be using my razor to shape the top. I did the bottom part. I know right now they look a little crazy. This one has more hair than this one, so bear with me. So here I applied the moisturizer on the top part, and this is so that the razor can like glide on my skin. Be extra careful with the razor. You don't want to press too hard and cut yourself. Just take your time. Hey you guys, so here's the final look, and this is how my brows look after bleaching them and grooming them. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Comment down below what else you would like to see me do. And yeah, thanks again you guys. Bye.